Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a profit and loss statement on QuickBooks. So first is head over to quickbooks.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Reports. Then next, under the Business Overview section, you can see here categories such as profit and loss and categorized profit and loss by customer, by month, comparison, percentage of total income, year to date comparison, and quarterly profit and loss summary. But from here, we're just going to click on profit and loss. Now, from this page, you can see the overview of your profit and loss on specific dates and years. You can use the search filter to filter out profit and loss on a specific date. So, say for example, we're going to pick this financial year's profit and loss, that is January to December 2025. Now, here's a detailed overview about this specific report. Now, all you have to do is make sure that all the details are correct and make changes if applicable. And once done, you can head over and save this by clicking on the Save As button, add in report name. Then once done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!